How to fix too many USB devices connected on your PS4. So before even anything, there are a lot of videos or reviews out there saying that your USB end cable may just be upside down. So of course you can go ahead and try that first. So plug it in an upside down way. Don't force it in though. If it works like that, then you should try it. But if not, don't try anything else because it might break and make it even worse. But anyways, other than that, you have your USB ports for your PS4. Most of the time, it's not really the PS4 having the problem, it's your cables that are broken or let's say no longer working. So you could try fully turning off the console first, then unplug every USB device connected to it, including controllers, headsets, whatnot. Then unplug the PS4 power cable and leave it disconnected for about 20 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on again. This is basically a full power reset, and when a PS4 is stuck or having safe mode or startup issues, you can try that on. And if the message still appears, you can test each USB device one by one to find the problem device. So let's say you have this USB wire or another USB wire, you can test them out one by one to see if which one's doing the problem. Another thing you can do is to check if the device itself is not broken or whatever you're plugging in is not broken. You can connect it to a different device, let's say a computer or a laptop, anything like that, to see if it works. And if it's broken, then it could cause that message to pop out as well. And what we have over here is a docking station. You could try that inside one of the working USB inputs of your PS4. You try using a docking station. That way, all you have to do is plug in the other devices on the docking station. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you are getting this error on your PS4. So hopefully it helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.